Airport.
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 Port.
Not pert. Port.
Port.
Airport.
Port.
Airport.
Airport.
Port.
Port.
Ort.
Ort.
Yeah. Airport.
Airport.
Yes.
Airport.
Yes. Airport. Shop.
Shop.
Yeah. The shop.
The shop.
Yeah. Very good. Garden.
Garden.
Yeah. My garden.
My garden.
Yeah. Very good.
My garden.
School bag.
School bag.
School bag.
School bag.
Yeah.
School bag.
School bag.
School bag.
My school bag.
My school bag.
Yes. Book.
Book.
Yeah. My book.
My book.
Yes. Paper.
Paper.
Yeah. Paper.
Paper.
You're doing so good. Zoo.
Zoo.
Z.
Z.
Ooh.
O.
Zoo.
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 Yes.
Zoo.
Yes. That was it. That was it. Okay. Cinema.
Cinema.
Yeah. Very good. Cinema.
Cinema.
Yes. Supermarket.
Supermarket.
Yeah. Very good. Very good.
Supermarket.
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 Yes. The Great Wall.
The Great Wall.
Great.
Great.
Not greet. Great.
Great.
Wall.
Wall.
The Great Wall.
The Great Wall.
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 Yes. The Great Wall.
The Great Wall.
The Great Wall.
The Great Wall.
Yeah, that was better. The Great
The Great
Wall.
Wall.
The Great Wall.
The Great Wall.
Yes. Yes. Vehicle.
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 V.
V.
Just V.
E.
Col.
Co.
Vehicle.
Vehicle.
Yes. Yes.
Vehicle.
Vehicle. Yes. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yeah. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Very good. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes. February.
February.
Yeah. February.
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 Yeah. February.
February.
Yes. Yes. That was good. Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
That was awesome. That was good. That was good. Entrepreneur. Schedule.
Schedule.
Yeah. Schedule.
Schedule.
My schedule.
My schedule.
Yes. Chaos.
Chaos.
Yeah. It's
Chaos.
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 It's just chaos, yes. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this week's video. If you liked it, please make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave me a comment about any words in the video that were really hard for you or any words that you'd like to see in a future video. Have a fantastic week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.